Jai Shri Gurudev. Good evening, students. Welcome to computer online class. In the last class, we have already learned about formatting in HTML. In that, heading and paragraph, these are learnt. See, this is heading and this one paragraph. Today, we are going to learn about line break, center tag, formatting in text, that is in a web page, bold tag, italic tag, underline, strike, next typewriter tag, tree formatted tag, subscript and superscript. Okay, come let us see how to do that in practically. Okay, first go to open previous file first. Okay, next see about internet, that is also scratched. See about internet. Okay, see. Okay children, next typewriter tag. Okay, typewriter tag TT displayed the enclosed text in a typewriter font. Typewriter font is different from we are typing font. Okay, see that typewriter tag in title, typewriter tag, typewriter.html. Okay, save. Go to Internet Explorer. I am giving here only, double tap and folder file. See, typewriter word means is different from we are typing words. Okay, see this one and this one also. Okay, next to preformatted tag. Preformatted also is like showing like typewriter tag. Okay, both are similar, typewriter tag and preformatted tag. Sometimes when you want to display poems or data with spaces and lines in between, you can use preformatted tag, PR. The web browser will not ignore the spaces you have left while typing if you have enclosed the block of text between pre and pre-closing tags. Okay, preformatted tag, preformatted tag. Okay, see here, I'm doing changes in Notepad. It is also displayed here. Go to Notepad. Here I am giving enter and full stop. See, go to your page. See, it is changed. See once again. Save. Then go to email, preformatted tag, preformatted tag. Okay, close all data. Okay, then open, browse, preformatted tag and okay. See, okay. Then next superscript tag. Superscript, the text or number enclosed between Tags is displayed as raised above the normal line of text and slightly smaller in size. To display some specific mathematical formula, this tag is used. Okay. Here superscript tag and title, then head also one and delete it. Okay, then go to head closing tag after body understanding superscript tag body next heading h4 heading I'm taking here. Take a look at Einstein's formula, famous formula. Okay, take a look at Einstein's famous formula. Then closing heading h4 closing tag after p means paragraph, no? P Einstein formula, you know that Einstein formula, E equals mc square. Okay, E equals mc square. If we want square means using superscript tag. Okay, here superscript, super means sup enough, sup, then 2 is going up now, so 2 and closing tag superscript, then h5 and that is heading, p closing the paragraph also container element, so closing that one also. Next h5 heading, take a look at the mathematical formula. Okay, take a look at the mathematical formula. Then close the heading tag also, h5 closing tag, then h capital letter 5, then paragraph. Okay, p after bracket a plus b whole square equals a square plus b square. Okay, like that. So here a plus b bracket close, then superscript sup 2 a plus b whole square, no, whole square, so 2, then superscript closed, then again a square equals a square means a superscript 2, then closing tag, then go plus b superscript 2 closing tag, like that. Okay, plus a square plus, no, so here superscript closer, then plus b square, so super, then 2, then closing tag. Okay, here paragraph also closed, then body tag also closed, head. Okay, go to save as. Here superscript tag, superscript, then go h.html, then go to save. Come, let us see that in web page. Superscript, see here, E equals mc square, take a look at Einstein's formula. Here we are giving H4 heading and another heading is H5. So smaller. E equals mc square, a plus b whole square equals a square plus b square. Mathematical formula. Okay, understood? Then after here subscript. Subscript means the text or number enclosed between tags appears slightly below the normal line. Superscript means upper, subscript means lower text, that is upper text. Okay, here understanding subscript tag. Then same body, head, HTML head, title, head closing tag, body, no, here spelling mistake, body, then heading H4 only is there. Understanding superscript tag. So this tag allows for the creation of chemical compounds. Chemical compounds, that is in chemistry, na? Chemical compounds. How to write that? H2O. 2 is in lower, na? H after. Okay, this tag allows for the creation of chemical compounds. Creation of chemical compounds. Then P after heading tag. P means paragraph. P means next line, no, paragraph starting. Here H sub, super not sub, super means upper case, this is lower case. Sub 2, then closing tag, then 0. H2O means what? Water, no? Water. Paragraph closed. Then paragraph open, paragraph closing. Then again paragraph P. O2 means oxygen. O sub, then 2, then closing subtag, sub O2. Okay, after oxygen, then again close the paragraph, again open paragraph P, CO2 means carbon dioxide. O here capital, okay, C capital, then CO sub 2, then closing tag subscript, then CO2 means carbon dioxide. Okay, then P closing tag. Okay, completed. Body closing tag is there, head closing tag is there, then HTML. Okay, these are the subscript tags. Okay, enough. Go to save, head to HTML, after save as. Here subscript dot html, then go to click save, show in folder. See superscript, double tip, see here. This tag allows for the creation of chemical compounds H2O water, H2O2 oxygen, CO2 carbon dioxide. Okay, understood? Okay, children, I hope you all understood the topic and for creating web page. Okay, thank you. Jai Shri Gurudev.